So today we will learn or know about reincarnation. So across the world, many people believe in reincarnation, that people will rebirth, they will not entirely die, or the memory will remain or retain. A person can retain memory from their previous birth, or there are many belief system or ideologies all over the world, but the this is much higher in India, as people are less scientific tempered. So we will learn one by one. So first is, what is reincarnation? So reincarnation is the belief that after death a person's soul is reborn into a new body, either human or animal, in a cycle of birth, death and rebirth. This belief is the most commonly associated with religion like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism, where it is linked to the concept of karma. According to this idea, the actions of a person in their past life determine the circumstances of their new life, rewarding or punishing them based on their deeds. So, key concepts in reincarnation. First is karma. Action in past lives impact the present and future lives. Second, Atma or soul. The soul is eternal and moves through various forms of life until it achieves liberation, moksha. Third is cycle of rebirth. Souls are trapped in a cycle, which is sansar, of birth, death, and rebirth until they achieve spiritual liberation. So, what are the scientific perspective on reincarnation? So the scientific perspective is, from a scientific standpoint, reincarnation is not proven. Is not proven. Science relies on evidence, and there is no conclusive proof of souls existing or being reborn after death. The concept is often dismissed as a metaphysical belief due to the following reasons. First is lack of empirical evidence. So there are no scientifically verifiable cases that conclusively prove the existence of reincarnation. While there are anecdotal reports of people claiming past life memories, these are often explained by psychological phenomena such as memory confabulation, suggestions, or false memories. So, second is neurological explanation. The mind and consciousness are understood by neuroscience to be product of brain activity. When the brain ceases to function after death, consciousness also ends. According to the current scientific understanding, this suggests that personal identity does not survive after death. Okay. So third is cultural influence. Studies on reincarnation claims often show that they are heavily influenced by cultural beliefs. Children and adults from cultures that believe in reincarnation are more likely to report past life experiences, suggesting the roles of social conditioning. Fourth is debunking past life claim. Many cases of supposed past life memories have been investigated, and many have been debunked or explained by psychological or cognitive factors such as cryptomnesia, where information is forgotten but later remembered as one's own. Like some people first forgotten the memory, which is retained retained later, or which is remembered later, recalled later. The information or knowledge which a person is learn or know, but uh, uh, initially or suddenly a person forgotten it, but later he achieves the remember. So remember. So the conclusion is, while reincarnation is a deeply held spiritual belief in many cultures, there is no scientific proof that supports the idea of life after death or rebirth of a soul. It remains a metaphysical concept outside the realm of scientific validation, though it continues to play a scientific role in religious and philosophical views of millions around the world. So, the next point is why thousands of people, including children and adults, have claimed to past life memories, providing detailed and sometimes verifiable information. So, about other people's life. Some of these claims are surprising with details about places, events, or individuals the persons couldn't have known. Cases have been studied by researchers like Dr. Ian Stevenson, who investigated over 2,500 cases, often involving children who could describe specific, obscure details about past life. However, many of these claims are controversial and often explained by psychological factors, cultural influence, cryptomnesia, unconscious recall of forgotten information, or coincidences. Despite some compelling cases, there is no scientific consensus or evidence proving reincarnation. So science is not believe in reincarnation. Science is completely debunk this idea, and there is no belief which there is no evidence which prove the reincarnation process is true or it is a scientific process. So it is completely a belief system. A person can believe anything, it is their birthright. So it is a very common kind of um, what's the word for that, where so in this process people have a very deep belief in any concept, and they are blindly follow the concept. So this is all about reincarnation. We will meet in the another video with another topic. Thank you.